Hello everyone. If you want to go to your full screen on your Bluestack or not, if you want to use a bigger screens and want to get more better experience, want to get better experience, I will show you how to do. Enter your Bluestack as usual first. Okay, and then what you need to do is you can see top tubers and right side tuber on your screen. Okay, so what can you do next is try to find full screen icon on your right corner. So this is full screen icon. If you just enter, it's automatically you can use full screen. And if you want to exit, you can use Fn plus F. So let me try Fn plus F on your keyboard and it's automatically log out. And if you don't want to use your full screen icon, you can also just click on your keyboard Fn plus F and it's automatically go to use your full screen. This is how to use full screen in Bluestacks. If you want to, but in some case, some people prefer using outside like this because you can see right side tubers and upside tuber as usual, so you can get whatever you want. Or not, if you just want to use full screen for better experience, you can use the method that I mentioned before. You can also switch between normal views and full screen view as you prefer. Thank you so much, guys. I hope this video helped you a lot. See you in another video too, guys.